Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this WeatherGuard headache rack we have installed here on our Ford F-150. This happens to be a 2021 model with the short bed. And this is the newest headache racks from WeatherGuard. Now, they offer these in a couple of different design options. I think they have 4 different options. We have kind of these horizontal bars and then the honeycomb punch outs on top. They also offer it kind of in the full honeycomb that covers the entire inside of the frame. They have a completely open frame, and then they do have kind of some mixture of horizontal and vertical bars with an opening for your center window if you want that as well. Now, why do you want a headache rack? So the primary purpose of a headache rack is to prevent those headaches that can happen when you use your truck bed for work, or you use your truck like a truck. If you're loading in your cargo, your equipment, lumber, tools, whatever, and you throw it into the bed, accidentally overshoot it, hit that glass, you're talking about pretty expensive fix or damage to the cab and things like that. And so the primary purpose of a headache rack is to protect the truck. Now, obviously, secondary purpose is you can mount stuff to it. You can secure your cargo to it, your shovel, your ladders, and things like that. Obviously, we have some accessory brackets installed in here with lights and ladder stops and things like that. Speaking of your accessories, WeatherGuard does make a full suite of accessories for this headache rack. We have our side mount brackets right here, sold as a set of 2, where you can mount your lights or whatever you want to, beacons, so on and so forth to it. It's gonna come with a left side and a right side. You have your ladder stops like we have installed on our truck right here. They're also going to make a cargo ring option and then a center light bracket as well. Now, this headache rack is going to accommodate, obviously, your crossover boxes. That's what WeatherGuard is known for. And so your crossover box is gonna sit right here over the top of this bracket. Now, if you just install it as is, you're gonna have a little bit of an unlevel toolbox. So WeatherGuard also does make a toolbox leveling kit, which essentially gives you additional platform right here to mount your crossover box nice and level. And that'll work with basically every crossover box on the market. Now, this finish is in kind of a matte black finish. I think it matches pretty much perfectly their matte black toolbox color. So if you're looking at toolbox options to go with this, it's gonna match that matte black color. Now, these headache racks are completely aluminum, as well as the accessory brackets and all that. They're gonna be aluminum as well. So corrosion resistance, lightweight, all of that as well. Now, one of the great things about these headache racks is that they work with all the major truck models. And so it's gonna be one part number that's going to fit basically all the full-size trucks. So we have this on a Ford F-150 here. It'll also fit a F-250, F-350, as well as your Chevy, GMC, Silverado, Sierra, 1500, 2500, 3500, as well as your Ram half-ton and 3/4, 1-ton trucks as well. And the way that they do that is your mounting feet here has different tolerances. You have different levels for where the frame attaches to your mounting feet, some adjustment here in the brackets as well. And these are all designed to work with the various truck beds. So it's just gonna be one part number that's gonna fit all the different trucks. So you're not needing to worry about ordering a separate mounting kit and then a frame and make sure you're ordering all of the right components. It's gonna be that one part number. It's gonna work with all those different trucks. Now, installation on the Ford F-150 isn't too bad. It's basically 3 attachment points on each side. You do need to drill into the top of the bed rail right here and into the side of the bed rail, and then on the forward part of the bed, you do need to put a plus nut in, but WeatherGuard does give you that handy dandy plus nut tool for making the installation super simple. Now, on our Ford F-150, the top of the headache rack, if you exclude these accessories and all of that, sits about 2 inches higher than the cab, and what we're measuring from is like that plastic shroud that has your antenna in it and all of that. So the cab's gonna be completely protected if you're leaning something up against it. Sometimes if that headache rack is too short, you could actually end up damaging the corner of the cab, or if it's too high, you might not be able to fit in your garage and things like that. So it's only about 2 inches higher than the actual cab. It fits in like our standard garage just fine. Now, another great thing about all WeatherGuard products is that they come with a lifetime warranty from the factory, so you're gonna be protected for the long haul. Now, if you're looking for this headache rack or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.